welcome to DryerDays Art Studio. I'm Catherine and I'm so happy to have you here today. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be working on these wing trinket dishes today. I call them angel wing trinket dishes, but I guess they don't have to necessarily be angel wings. But here are the molds themselves. They do come in a set of 2. They're available in my store, DryerDaysArtStudio.com. Just showing the sizes here for you so you can get an idea. These are really easy and fun to work with, and I think these dishes make awesome gifts. I have 2 little girls, and they each claimed one of these dishes for themselves to put their little jewelry in or just their little items. It's just the perfect size for them. I want to take a second here to thank all of my patrons. I'm going to list them all. There is Roseanne, Lori, Laura, Jennifer, Yule, Danielle, Trisha, Martha, Eris, Kathy, Cynthia, Virginia, Jenny, Cindy, Martha, Holly, Georgia, Mona, and Miss Thompson. Thank you so much for your continued support. It goes a long way and helps me in making new content. Thank you guys. I am going to be using my antique lace today, one of my favorites, my gold sparkle pigment right here. Really pretty color. And I am also going to be using some of my Eartha glitter. I love the Eartha glitter so much because you get so many different colors in it. There's gold, there's sort of an orange, there's green. It's just a really cool glitter. I love it. You can see there. Oh my gosh, it's so rich and beautiful. So whenever I go to start a mold like this, I always think of what I want the tray to look like. And you're obviously going to see the bottom of that tray, the trinket dish, the most. So I knew I definitely wanted some of this glitter to show. And I'm just going to kind of randomly put it in there. I'm going to use my stick to kind of get it down in the edges a little bit, as you can see there. And I'm just going to work around both molds doing this. And now I'm just taking some clear resin, kind of work that glitter down into the sides even more, because I really wanted some to be on the top tip of the trinket dish. And I had made that glitter resin pretty thick. I added a good amount of the glitter in there, which is going to thicken your resin up. And I wanted it to move a little bit more, so that's why I added the clear. Now I'm going to come in with the gold sparkle and the antique lace. These colors go really nicely together. I'm just going to keep using my resin until I feel like I have filled the molds pretty much all the way. I am going to use a little bit of white as well, but I'm going to put the white on last because the white is very heavy. It's going to sink, and if you look at the video and the pictures of when these are done at the beginning and the end, you can see the white on there, so it definitely does sink. And here is that matte white. And if you want your matte white really creamy, I mention this every time I use the matte white, but I will put a little bit of the matte white pigment powder in my cup, smash it up a little bit with my stick, add a few sprays of rubbing alcohol in to make it like a paste, make the powder like a paste consistency, and then add my resin. And you can see even just hitting it with the heat, it gets really nice lacing effects with that white. And I'm just going to take my orange stick. It doesn't look like I'm doing this gently, but I promise I am. And just kind of moving that resin down, making sure that we're getting it really into those crevices of this mold so that we don't have any blank spots. And this will also help get any of the bubbles out, and we can pop those. All right, the best part, the demolding. I am wearing gloves because we're at about the 24-hour mark, and it does take about 24 hours for the resin to fully cure, and I just want to protect my hands and the piece. So I'm going to use a stick just to kind of get me going here, to peel that mold back. And then I'm just going to slide my fingers along, kind of peel it back and away. And you can just see the beautiful, warm colors we have here. And that eartha glitter just goes so well in there and gives such a nice depth. You can see where the white really sank, and you're getting that dimension too. And just with the mold itself, with the detailing of the mold, these just are such beautiful little pieces. I love them. And we'll do the second one here. All of these products, again, are available at DryerDaysArtStudio.com. My pigments are now part of my line Color Joy, which you can find Color Joy on Instagram at colorjoy.fluidart. And please feel free to tag colorjoy.fluidart and my DryerDays account if you'd like to be featured in my stories or on my pages. So pretty, and just such a cute little size. I mean, really, I think my family and friends should get ready because they're probably going to get these as gifts. I'm going to do a video here showing you up close and all the detail in the sunlight. And I mean, you saw it. It was so easy. It took me all of about 7 minutes to pour these and then just let them sit and cure for about 24 hours and then demolded them. You can see how they sit so nicely. Just beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more free tutorials. And until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.